yogi. What does it mean by yogi? Yogi simply means one who is connected to Krishna. Krishna says, I like somebody who is connected to me 24 hours, 365 days, 24 into 7. Now that may seem like, how is that possible? How can you be connected to Krishna 24 hours? I have my job, I have my children, I have my house to take care. How do I be connected to Krishna 24 into 7? Now I'll give you one very simple practical example, which you'll understand how do we connect to Krishna 24 hours. I don't know now, but in the olden days, almost every housewife used to wear a sari, okay? And then they have a almara or something, the closet where they keep their important documents, money or thing, and then they keep it locked. And the lock, the key of that, now they will tie it to their sari, while they're doing the household work. And sometimes it so happens, they lose the key. Somewhere they kept, don't know where they kept. Now I'll tell you what happens when they lose the key. They don't stop working. They're doing everything, whatever they are supposed to do. But the lost key is in their mind, So they'll be cooking, and while cooking, they'll be thinking, did I leave the key in the kitchen somewhere? Or did I leave the key near the aquaguard or no? And then let's say the phone rings in the hall. They'll go to the hall, they'll pick up the phone, and they'll check, do you think I left the key on the sofa? No. And then they go to the bedroom, they're dressing up the children for school. Or do you think I left the key in the bedroom? May not be. I don't know where I left the key. Now they're doing everything. They're cooking, they're sending children to school, they're cleaning the house, they're doing the dishes, they're doing everything. But back of their mind, they're thinking, where did I leave the key? Where did I leave the key? It must be somewhere. For a second also, they don't forget about the key. That's what we have to do in life. Just remember Krishna all the time. Just like the housewife is remembering the key that she has lost. We have lost that connection with Krishna. We don't belong here. We belong to Goloka Vrindavan. So just keep that in your mind all the time. It's possible. You do whatever you are doing. You do whatever work you're supposed to do. As a wife, as a daughter, as a businessman, as a student, as a job holder, whatever. You can keep doing whatever you're doing, but just keep Krishna back of your mind. And that way you can remember Krishna 24 hours. And Krishna says, that kind of devotee I like, a yogi who is always connected to me. See, it is easy to remember Krishna when you are in a temple. It's easy to remember Krishna when you are chanting or you are attending a class, you are in a Sunday program, you are associated with a lot of devotees around you, and you remember Krishna. That's all right. But Krishna doesn't give you marks for that. Krishna gives you marks when you remember him when you are not in the temple. Krishna will give you marks when you remember him when you are preparing a PPT to show it to your partner. Krishna will give you marks when you remember him while you are cooking. Krishna will give you marks when you remember him when you are in a grocery store buying some bread and cheese. Krishna will give you marks when you are on a construction site and you are remembering him. So he will give you marks for all those times when you are not directly involved with him, but you remember him. He's in your thought. He's in your mind. He's always in your mind. And for that, Krishna gives marks. And that is the secret of bhakti life, right? That is a standard actually. Krishna says, Satatam kirtayanto mam. He expects that from us, that we remember him 24 hours. I run a school, and when we set a exam paper for the children, we tell them, short answers, 5 marks. Essay answers, 10 marks. 2 marks for neat handwriting. We set up the paper. Krishna has also set up a paper for us like this. Somebody remembers me in the temple, 5 marks. Even in provocating situations where they're completely surrounded by Maya, whether in their business, in their school, in their college, in their office, while cooking, while traveling, how many times do we remember him? And he gives marks for that. And we score more when we remember him where the situation is such where it's difficult to remember him. And for that he gives us marks. So Satatam Kirtayantomam. Krishna wants us to become a yogi, connected to him all the time. Lord is not bhakti is not a desert in our life. It's not optional. Okay, if I'm free, I'll do it. Bhakti is the main course. What we are now doing at the job and the business and the other responsibilities and the education, these are all the side dishes. These are all like those dressings which you put, some kind of a pickle or a salad or a dessert. But Krishna is the main course. Remembering Krishna is the main course. So if we remember Krishna all the time, then we become his favorite devotee. And that can be done when we remember him, when we be connected to him. How to be in that consciousness all the time? Be conscious that Krishna is conscious of you, and Krishna is with you, and Krishna is looking at you. Nowadays, especially with the CCTV cameras, wherever you walk, there will be a board. You are under CCTV surveillance. You see that there are boards everywhere like that, so that you are conscious. Wherever you're walking, you've been watched. That's all. If you just keep that board in your hearts, in your mind, you are under Krishna's surveillance. Krishna is watching you all the time. You are under Paramatma's surveillance, CCTV. We're carrying a CCTV with us. Krishna is looking at us all the time. Now I'm talking to you. He's looking at me. He's hearing. You're hearing. He's looking at you. He is all the time with us. When we are under that consciousness, we can be always connected to him. And if we are connected to him, then Krishna likes us, and we become one of his favorite devotee.
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna, Krishna.